Hello everyone. In this exercise of the Solidworks, I will explain the standard maths and the in the assembly section environment. Balance I have explained in the previous exercise, and I will also explain the another method of locating the first part in the assembly graphic area. Okay, let's start. File, new, assembly. Okay. This is the SolidWorks and assembly environment. Okay, I am cancelling this one. Okay, first I select any part, browse in this one, browse. I am taking this plate for assembly. Open. In the previous exercise I have explained locating the first part. This time I am explaining another part that is easy as compared to the first one. Okay, I am clicking. This is used, this bottom you will see there is small window. You will see X. So far I have not clicked the part. This is used for the rotating the part about X axis, Y axis, Z axis. As per requirement you can do this thing. Okay, I am clicking this one. Okay, I want to bring this part, the origin of this part at the assembly origin. This is the assembly origin. Okay, so this is the, you will see when we go in the assembly section, you will see this is the tree manager of the assembly. This is the part, assembly top plane, front plane, top plane, and this one, and this is the part future, futures, another tree of the future. This is the following operation we have performed in this one part, boss, cut, and this one, and this is the front plane of the part, top plane of the part. But at this time this part are not meeting, so first I will make the one direction of the front plane of the assembly and part. How? I am clicking first part is always fixed in this assembly section. Okay, first I am taking the, this is the plane wide. Okay, and the unit system in the middle. If I right click on this one, you will see plot option comes. It means this part is fixed, so I am plotting it first. Now in the above view head up section, there is a visibility of this I button. I click this one, scroll button, and you see this one, view origin. Now you will see there are the two origin you comes here. So I want to bring the origin of the part to the origin of the assembly. You will see here this origin is the assembly origin. If I click left side, origin of the part, this is the origin of the this one, you will see. So how I will do it? Mat and select this origin, this one, click point, this one point, and this point. This one and this one. Now it this mate at this time of front plane and the front plane and shift and first control key, front plane of the assembly. These are in one direction. Okay, this one. Now hide the view origin, this one. Okay, in this exercise I will explain the balanced. Balance is the distance mate, angle mate, perpendicular mate, parallel mate, and one is the lock mate. Balance I have explained in the previous exercise. First I take the, in order to bring another part, there is upper command manager, there is a insert component. I bring this part bolt. I am bringing bolt for assembly, this one, and open it. If you want to rotate about X axis, Y axis, you can do, but there is no need of this one. I am clicking this one. Okay, now select this surface, shift, and this mat, this face is selected. Now this any fold you can select inside this one. This you will see there is a concentric mate. Concentric means center of the hole and the center of the this circular part of the bolt is in one line. Okay, I am clicking this one. Okay, this is the this one. Now another mate. Surface of this bolt, this one, and face and this one. You will see coincidence mate and this one. This is the coincidence. Okay. Suppose you cancel it. Suppose you want to bring another bolt. So you can bring from here insert component or select this bolt, control key and drag it. Another bolt comes here. Okay. This one. Now mat, this one, I am selecting this face and this hole, concentric mate and OK. Now again this one, I am selecting this face, this one and this face, this one, coincidence mate and this one. Okay, in this way I have met both the I have again I have made the two mates, concentric and coincident. Okay. Now I will explain parallel mate. Parallel mate, this one, this parallel mate. I select this face and this face and parallel. You will see parallel is activated and this one. Now the face of this bolt, this surface is parallel to this one. Take another example. Suppose this face I am selecting and this face, this will move. This is parallel. This way. In this way, we can make the parallel relation. Okay. Now, another way left is the perpendicular. I will explain perpendicular also. So, I take another part, insert component, new part. I am taking this plate, this one, and open it. New part comes here. Okay, this one. Mat and this line, this edge and this edge. I am making coincidence relation. This one. Okay, cancel it. This. Okay. Now I will explain mat and the angle mat. Angle mat you have to explain. This angle mat. This one I am selecting here this surface and this surface. You will see there is a 30-degree angle. Suppose I take 90-degree angle and 90-degree. This one and OK. This is 90-degree, but there is a reverse direction. I am selecting again this mat and mat alignment or flip direction. This you can flip the direction also. You can also mat alignment and this one. In this way you can make angle of this one. Suppose you want to change angle 80 degree or 70 degree you want to take. This is this one. This is a 70 degree. Again select this mat and change them, suppose 110. This one. This is from this surface. This angle is this one. Okay. And 70 degree from this surface and balance is this one, 110 degree. In this way you can make the distance mat. Oh, sorry, angle mat. Okay. Now we take another example. I take another insert component. I take a pin of 12 mm. This one and this one. This one. Okay. Now mat. Select this face and this face. This one and concentric mat first. Now it is concentric. And this one. You will see this is the concentric mat. Okay. This one. Now mat this face and this face. you make distance mate, this one. Suppose I make distance of 8 mm, u1, and angle this right, okay. So this surface is at a distance of this one. This is the distance mate, we can establish it. Okay, now another what is I left out, this is this one, and perpendicular I have explained, parallel I have explained, coincidence. Coincidence, in the case of the coincidence, suppose I am selecting this mate, this part, control key and drag it. Select this part, control, drag, another part will come here. Okay. Select, control, this, another part comes here. Okay, this one. And one more thing, suppose matte and this surface and this surface. Okay, this is concentric. Okay, this is concentric. This is concentric relation. And suppose I make this one, this surface and this surface, I make coincidence relation. Okay, but at this time I also make the distance mate, this one. This is 12. Suppose you want to make the distance of 6 mm. This one, this is at a distance of, it means when we are established a coincidence relation, you simultaneously maintain the distance relation. Okay. Now we take another example of lock. Suppose I am selecting this part, control, and this one. This one. This is the another part. You can copy it and select the part, control key and drag it. Okay, and select this face and matte and this face, this face. This is the first, is the concentric relation, this one. Okay, this one. So this is the, so far this is the concentric relation only. Suppose I want to log this mat, this part with this board. So how? Select this, sorry. So this is the concentric with this board. Suppose I lock with this one, mat, this one, this part, and this board. And suppose I lock it. I am locked. This one, sorry, this one, lock, and okay it, and cancel it. Now this part is locked, you will see. This is concentric. In addition to concentric, this it cannot move because I have locked this part here. In this way, you can. I have explained all the standard mates in the assembly, and there you will see there is a future tree manager. Suppose you want to. So this is a future tree manager. There are the different part, plates, bolts. This one. Suppose you want to hide this one. Suppose you want to. This one. Suppose right click on any part, you can open it, and this open the drawing, open the edit part, and this is the hide component. You want to hide, you can hide this component is hide. You will see the yellow color disappears. So again, this one and this one, show component. This component will comes again. In this way, you can hide and unhide the component. And suppose this is the plate, this one, and click, and this is the change transparency, this one. You can change the transparency also. I have this changes the transparency of this one. So in this way, you can change the transparency. Again, click it, original comes here. Suppose this pin, suppose bolt with this one, you show this, change the transparency. This one, this transparency changes here. again you want to this one, and show transparency, change transparency again comes here. In this way you can bring this. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. You please subscribe my this channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you very much.